Welcome to Hands-on Equations Fractions Lesson 3. In Lesson 3, we are going to have more than one term involving the unknown on one side of our equation. So our first problem is this one. So we have y plus 2/3 y plus 3 equals 18. Since our 1/3 value is represented by our blue blocks, we will be solving for blue, yellow, and then completing our check. So let's go ahead and set up this problem. So we have y plus 2/3 y plus 3 equals 18 for our original setup. So first I'm going to do a legal move of removing a 3 number cube from this side, which makes this side now equal to 15. And since we now have our numbers isolated on this side, we want to replace our yellow block with 3 blues, since that's what we are solving for. So once we replace our yellow block with our 3 blue blocks, we now see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue blocks on the left side being equal to 15 on the right side. So if 5 blocks are equal to 15, each of these is worth 3. If each of our blue blocks are worth 3, then our yellow block is worth 9 because it is represented by 3 of our blue blocks. So we have that blue is 3 and yellow is 9, and now we will go back to our original setup for our check. So this is our original setup, and if we do our check, yellow is worth 9, blue is worth 3, so 9, 12, 15, and 3 is 18, and on this side we also have 18. So our solution to this problem is blue equals 3, yellow equals 9, and our check is 18 equals 18. This next example is going to involve the removal of blocks as part of our setup process. So we have 2y minus 3/2 of y plus 3 equals 15. In this one, since our half is represented by our red block, we will be solving for red, yellow, and then completing our check. So in our original setup, we have 2y. And now we see that we need to remove 3/2 of y. So what we need to do is we need to replace our yellow blocks with our red blocks, since our red blocks represent the halves. So I'll replace this yellow block with 2 reds, and I'll replace this yellow block with 2 reds. And now I am able to remove 3/2 from my equation. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3/2. Now I see that I need to increase this by 3 to get my total on the right side of 15. So this is now my setup to solve this problem. Next, I will perform a legal move, and I will remove 3 from this side, and that means that this side is now worth 12. And so I can see that 1/2 is worth 12, or my red is worth 12. Since my red is worth 12, that means that my yellow is worth 24, and I am now ready to do the check. To do my check, I will go back to my original setup. This was 3, that's a 5. So if my red is worth 12, on this side I have 12 plus 3 is 15. On this side I have 15. So my answer is red equals 12, yellow equals 24, and my check is 15 equals 15. At this time, you are ready to do your work for Lesson 3.